ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਿਟੀ ਆਫ ਕੈਲਗਰੀ ਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿ ਸੁਡਾਨ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਆ, ਸਾਊਥ ਸੁਡਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਜੈਨੋਸਾਈਡ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਸਾਲ ਦਸੰਬਰ 15 2013 ਨੂੰ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਇੱਥੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ। ਸੋ ਆਓ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ਰਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਕੀ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਸਨ ਇਹ ਜੈਨੋਸਾਈਡ ਦੇ, ਅਤੇ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਸਟ ਕਦੋਂ ਅਤੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਹਾਈ, ਵਾਟਸ ਯੂਰ ਨੇਮ?
Core. My name is Core Top. I'm the community leader and
And
organizer of the protest.
why you guys organize this protest?
It's very important because this marked the first year anniversary of a day where our community members in South Sudan were killed on the December 15, 2013. So today is very important day for us to come and remember our loved one and those who were killed, to honor this day to be very important day as a national day of South Sudan.
Okay, and can you provide us with the information why this genocide happened?
The genocide happened in South Sudan last year with a disagreement within one political party, where the two leaders, the vice president and the president of South Sudan, had argument over their leadership, and then this escalated into the ethnic target by the president, targeting those ethnic groups that are related to where the vice presidents come from. So the president was targeting the tribe of the vice president and order to kill them by his military men.
And have you approached anybody within the city or any ministers in Canada itself to raise this voice at an international level?
We had a couple of demonstration and protest for for all of this year to bring the attention of what had happened to the government of Canada, but we don't see any action from the government of Canada or any taking any consideration of what is really happening. So there is no any action that we are seeing so far.
And do you seek any further action on an international level from Canada or from any other countries?
Well, we are hoping that the Canadian government and plus the international community and other world government governing bodies to take action about what is really going on. So far, the African governments or states are working on bringing peace, but the peace doesn't move any further. So we are here to mourn for the deaths of our people, and also to bring the attention of the world community to come together and condemn and also take action by saying, okay, a government that killed its own people is not a legitimate government. Yeah.
And do you think that UN, United Nations, can interfere into this matter and raise this concern at a humanitarian level?
Yes, it's very interesting that UN was formed, when United Nations was formed, it was formed with the reason that if any government is turns against its own civilians populations, then the UN can take any further actions about what is going on. Yes, we hope as a community that the UN has a responsibility in this case and in this matter, that they can act with a sense of responsibility to protect the civilian population and to action taking place about the government of South Sudan, a government that kills its own civilian. And this is one of the reasons why United Nations was formed in 1950s.
Yeah. So, what message you would like to give to the Canadian politicians?
I would like to urge the Canadian governments and politicians to act in this matter, to take action. Like as we are standing here, we are all Canadian, and our family members and our community members were killed in South Sudan. It's something that we are hoping the Canadian government would take action on this matter and bring the attention to the president who has killed its own civilian populations.
Well, thank you very much for talking to us, and we wish you luck that justice may be prevailed to the community.
Thank you so much.
ਸੋ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੁਡਾਨ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਿਟੀ ਹਾਲ ਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਸਟ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਬੁਲੰਦ ਕਰ ਸਕਣ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਤਰਰਾਸ਼ਟਰੀ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੱਕ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਸਕੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸੁਡਾਨ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਸੀਗੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੁਝ ਟਰਾਈਬ ਦੇ ਲੀਡਰ ਸੀਗੇ ਜਾਂ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਇੱਕ ਮਿਲਟਰੀ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਸ ਜੈਨੋਸਾਈਡ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਨਰਸੰਹਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਤਰਰਾਸ਼ਟਰੀ ਲੈਵਲ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੱਲ ਇਹ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਆ ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਨਸਾਫ ਦਿਵਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਆ।